I think there's a really interesting opportunity to think about how we build community and how we engage with our fans in a really deep way as opposed to just through a comment box. Imagine for your biggest fans, you could have an exclusive launch party where anyone could visit no matter where they were in the world.
I love that because when we first launched the brand, everything was shut down because obviously quarantine, we couldn't go anywhere. And I had this idea of doing like pop-ups for Forever Mood where we would have a room inspired by each scent.
And now, anyone from anywhere in the world could come and feel what you just described, have that feeling, have that sense, really get into that mood. Also, you have your greatest fans, the people that care a lot about you, the ability to reach new customers, use advertising to keep growing your business. And you could also drop an exclusive product in the Metaverse, where only available to your most ardent fans who paid special access to get to that product.
That's dope.
Commerce is going to be a big part of the Metaverse. You'll be able to sell both digital and physical products.